beautiful people, and welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out this video. If today is your first time on this channel, you are welcome. We are happy, we are so delighted to have you here. Welcome to Joyton, and I do hope you will enjoy your stay here today. And we can never take your love for granted, okay? You are amazing. And on this channel, we'll be bringing you latest news and gist. And if you like to be family, no problem. Just go ahead and click on that red button down below and turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And in this particular video, I am going to be watching with you. So with that being said, let's get into the video.
Anybody who is still calling himself Nigeria, you need a serious prayer. Prayer with the fasting. Look at your president. Somebody you call your president. Look at the fake Buhari in Imo State today. With the trouser where they no iron. Aisha Buhari cannot iron the husband, so-called husband trouser. What a shame. What if you a problem? Eh? If children begin to insult these people now, they say, hey, these children don't get respect. How can you insult your president? Your president, nobody upon all the staff where you get, you know fit iron your trouser. See bongo where this man will enter Imo State. To tell you, say this man no plan better for Igbo people. Now within they call this now Lai Muhammad now go advise and make you wear that bongo where they wear 1940 something. Now where this so-called fake Buhari where enter our land. Thank God to say everybody run enter house. Una know say when wolf don't from inside bush enter town, enter city, all the chicken everybody go run enter house. And when the wolf don't patrol, they look for blood when he go suck. You know see, you go see and he go return back. Now what will happen today? My people, may when I come outside, wolf don't go. You don't enter in Kabu go. Yeah. See what the president, see bongo when you don't fit iron. Tomorrow you say one Nigeria. Which Nigeria you get? Look at your president. Southeast where you know say if we get important visitor, our mama them go tie wrapper, hold that white handkerchief for hand, shake their waist, dance. When they dance, you go even see the breeze, you go see the flowers and the trees there, you go see the leaf, the dance. See as Buhari come in Imo State today, it just be like where desert, it just be like where they just newly finish from war. Anyway, now one I will be the go on there now. Waiting in one commission, people when you don't kill. You know how many boys where they don't kill? Who will come welcome these people? Nobody to welcome them. Every family in Imo State, they don't lose one person because of Hope Uzodinma and this so-called fake Buhari. They don't lose one person. No family in Imo State will never lose one youth in their family. Because of this government. Now you come to commission, you come to mock them, that you kill them, that you will kill them again. Now we show you that we owns the land. Tomorrow prepare come again without your bongo president. Ndoshi. Hope Uzodinma. I don't know whether you be Mugu. I did not that Jubilee I be Mugu. Who they walk each other? It be like say this here sitting in no walk. The whole of Biafra land, no only one governor I did there. On mine, based of the same feather. On mine a guy man, man. This one a guy man. When I remember those days where you want sit in Bada, your fellow guy go sit beside you now to smooth the job. You be like saying this man no carry money come. Boo boo no bring money no day, no show. Where do you come to commission? Una they disgrace una set everywhere. See potopota everywhere. You potopota una come to commission. I no prepare myself earlier. I will look for one native doctor when I go give money. You go carry thunder fire all of una for that place. Abalaka. Will you chuk one ni more here? Ndoshi. Who na commission? What do you the commission? You the commission blood where you don't waste it for Imo State. Still they kill. You they brag. Say you the strongest man in Imo State. We never prepare for you. When the day when the Igbo people go prepare for you, we go cook your life, eat you. Any day when the whole of the Igbo people prepare for you, you see that city where you there, you no go remain there. Tomorrow go carry Ali Mungonu, come now. Now Ali Mongodo na do na master. When now they mastermind every killing. Criminal people. She say, when I don't know what they do for that place. They come, they show yourself, saying that you be a capon. See hope, small picking of yesterday. I be hope you don't forget where you dey hustle for Lagos. Small picking of yesterday. Where that those days you they cry. You saw Obasanjo they do well. Obasanjo is a bad leader. Now so you they talk today. Now you don't join them. Obasanjo said better person. Obasanjo never killed their people. But you they massacre your youth. They kill them, they roast them alive. They brag. See nothing they happen. Tomorrow carry this year man come our land again. No, you see the whole of the Biafra land. No election again. Start from Anambra State. Una go show una that day of election. Una go shock. That day of election, you no go hear anybody cough. Una go higher people tire. Una go higher. If you like, you go Cotonou, go pack people come. I dey prepare. Many of us they prepare. Now thunder na go send people na that day. Thunder go scatter everywhere. You know what they call Igbo? I just they prepare for that native doctor. When I go see him that day, go see heavy rain. He go strike you. And they fool on yourself. See land where God bless, give everybody. Where we go they happy. Now when I just decide to frustrate people, we don't prepare for now. You know what they call Igbo? Fulani go ask our people what they call Igbo. Those people will not kill you. Then go send them, we will come kill all of them. Those shit. Now they are commissioner, in a commissioner, not commissioner if you like, make you close all the bank where they in state. The day where the people will get that bank go prepare for you, then you go run come up from that place. Wicked boy. See hope small picking with yesterday. Where you just go there, grab the power. It is everything na guy. Everything na job for you. Maga don't come now. You know pay today. With the bongo.
Okay guys, so that'll be all from us today. And we do hope to see you in our next one. And if you are not subscribed and you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe, okay? And turn on the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime we upload new videos. And if there's anything you would like us to know or any kind of suggestion you have for us, feel free and drop it at the comment section and we will get back to you. Until next time, bye for now.